Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get bubble tea, a delightful and customizable beverage. First, you'll want to understand the basic components that make up this popular drink. This includes selecting your tea base, such as a robust black tea or a fragrant green tea. Next, decide on your milk preference, which could be traditional dairy or a plant-based alternative. Finally, consider the exciting world of toppings to complete your perfect cup. Now that you know the basics, let's dive into customizing your bubble tea to perfection. You have many exciting topping choices, from chewy tapioca pearls to bursting popping boba or various fruit jellies. Don't forget to specify your desired sweetness level, which can range anywhere from 0% to 100%. You can also choose your ice preference, whether you like no ice, regular, or extra ice for a refreshing chill. Once you've decided on your perfect combination, it's time to place your order. Approach the counter and clearly state your chosen tea and milk options to the staff. Be sure to communicate your preferred toppings and your exact sweetness level. The cost for a typical bubble tea often ranges from $5 to $7, depending on the size and additions. Confirm your order before making your payment and get ready for a treat. Finally, the best part, enjoying your delicious bubble tea. You'll receive your freshly prepared drink, usually with a wide straw designed for the toppings. Before taking your first sip, give the drink a gentle stir to ensure all the flavors and delightful toppings are evenly mixed throughout. Now, you can savor the unique combination of textures and tastes that make bubble tea such a beloved beverage worldwide.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.